What's up, people? So I was going through some old messages and I seen this request from Princess3659 asking me, Leroy, can you do a video on why Jamaicans love big woman? First of all, let me get this straight. Jamaicans don't love big woman. Jamaican love woman, period. Whether you're black, white, pink, blue, skinny, fat, whatever. But I personally, as you can see, I am not big boned. So what would I be doing with a big woman? You see, the thing is this: if you're dealing with a woman, she has to be in proportion to your size. Like, you're not going to see an elephant with a grasshopper, even though you might see elephant man with an elephant-sized woman. I'm just saying, people, whatever your culture, whatever size you is, Jamaicans just love to get along and just love to mesh with people. Another point I want to make is that many Jamaican men that I meet are lazy and don't want to do nothing and rely on the lady for their protection. And who better to protect them than Beatrice? I'm just saying, people. So that's why sometimes you see the Jamaican man them with the big woman. That is how it goes. Not rocket science, people. So that's my 5 cents. So I hope that answered some questions and I hope that clarified the whole issue. And people, before I go, I have to make something straight. I'm not no idiot, man. I've seen your comments. Oh, how come you're driving and filming? And yes, I do know how to drive. I actually drive standard.
What the hell says standard? It's stick shift.
Funny coming from a guy that's driving automatic. And just like these, I swear I get the funniest comments on YouTube. So at the end of my main episodes, I'll be replying to some of my favorite comments and questions. So leave the comments down there in the boombox and go ahead. Feel free to ask me anything. Like really, come on, what in the world is a roster? And you didn't even spell Bob Marley right. After all my videos of saying I am not, people still asking me. It's common sense. Since when does a Rasta make videos on YouTube? And I thought I got it bad, but it looks like Justin Bieber's getting way more love on the internet. Or should I say Justine Bieber? Oh guys, also before I forget, if you want to keep up with more of my videos, make sure you check out my vlog channel, FTD News. I do reports, rants, vlogs about pretty much anything. So if you don't see me on this channel, check me out on FTD News. So once again, this is Leroy Sedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man, always bringing you true talking. Boom, out. Beatrice.